It's a huge deal. I go back to Hurricane Wilma. I'm dating myself here. 20 years ago, Hurricane
What
Wilma
is that?
comes rolling
Oh
in.
five.
Yeah, like '05. So Hurricane Wilma's coming in 20 years ago. It was in like October. And right as she's approaching, she's coming from the Gulf. What do we call it? What's our policy? We're going with Gulf of
The Gulf.
Mexico.
We're just saying the
Okay.
Gulf.
So we're gonna go with the Gulf. So Wilma's come rolling in from the Gulf, and as she got within these boxes, and they go ahead and they take a look at the longitude and latitude and all this type of stuff, and in order to get insurance, there can't be a storm within this certain like range of boxes based on longitude and latitude. Well, because of the storm's trajectory, basically a lot of deals got put on hold. This is what they call an act of God. A lot of times in your contract, and I'm not an attorney, check with your attorney. A lot of times, though, in your contract, it'll say an act of God. This is something that nobody can anticipate. You can't handle it. There's nothing. You're not at fault. Nobody's at fault. It's one of these few exceptions. So the insurance, because it wasn't available, what happened is the market stalled. Nothing closed. Storm hit, and remember, it came from Naples or Cape Florida, all the way up through the Miami area and Broward. And then what happened after that? They couldn't revive the marketplace, is what I would argue. So the market stalled. It was a cooling off period. You were sort of taking it easy, and you couldn't get the insurance. You couldn't get anything, and the market stalled. And some of the buyers said, you know what? Maybe this isn't such a good idea. Let's sit back.
Time kills deals.
Time kills deal. That's why you have the urgency. You walk in, you go to walk out while you're negotiating to buy anything, whether it's car or anything else. They're going to put the pressure on because they know if you're there, you're probably going to get wrapped up into it. But if you got it overnight to think about it, you may or may not do the deal. So, this may, in a way, effectively, it could help the real estate market, but it could also provide an exit for maybe some people who want to get out of the market and they want to sit on the sidelines. So this is the risk we run. People want to do a deal. You got to take their money when they're doing a deal. And if you give them time to think about it, chances are they're going to reconsider.
Oh yeah, Miami, the market's on fire. To buy, to sell, to hold takes you higher. With Zalewski and Hernandez, you know the sound. Ya tú